This is Mthokozisi Nkosi. Jim Rohn once said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. You're the average of the 5 friends you spend most of your time with. If you want to know where your life is going, just look at the 5 people you invest your time in. Because wherever they are going, that's where you are also going. Because this is why they say you must watch the company you keep. The people you spend most of your time with have influence on how you think. If they are negative, you will end up being negative as well. If they are positive, you will end up being positive as well. So the more you spend your time with people who are positive and people who are helping you grow in life, people who are always lifting you up and inspiring you and motivating you to achieve better things in life, the more better you will become. So if you want to be successful, spend more time with successful people. If you want your life to be headed in the right direction, spend your time with the people who are headed in the right direction, not abantu abazokulahlekisa. So I know this because I've had a couple of friends in my life. Some were positive, some were negatives, and some I had to cut out. So be careful who you spend your time with.